This is what I'm down to now. On this side, should be able to just kind of get in there and pull everything back. All these boards here, I mean, they're real weak. You know, just not trying to save them. And this here probably used to be sitting on rocks, something. They wouldn't have set it on the ground here. It was sitting on rocks or something, and of course it's termites and got into it, ate it all up. All I'm interested in really was whatever logs I can save out the deal. Those old yellow jackets over here, I think I just about smothered them. I see one coming in there every now and then. They're down in that hole. Right there goes one right there. There's not many left. I can hear them down there, but I think I pretty much got them covered up. Shouldn't be many left.